This election petition was filed before the Court of Disputed Returns in November last year. It was filed on grounds that the Hela provincial returning officer had made errors in the declaration of the governor's seat.
Our grounds are very narrow. That as soon as the results were ascertained, the person who polled the highest at that time should have been declared, which not happened. So that's why we filed this petition to have those results recognized and declarations made by the court. So those are fairly straightforward allegations.
In this petition, Potape was seeking court orders to object the declaration of Hela Governor Undialu. In his submissions, Potape alleges that the PRO had failed to declare him as the duly elected candidate, and that the PRO had failed also to make a public declaration with Potape's name on the writ.
We will, the lawyer and myself will sit down and then review the decision of the judge this morning. I was strongly of the view that all election petitions should actually go to trial, and that through the trial proper, the judges can make a solid decision as to what had happened. And but what had happened this morning, and I am a bit unsatisfied, but that doesn't matter. I respect the court's decision, and I will sit down with my lawyer and.
Instead, the court found that Potape's submissions were based on assumptions. The court then ordered that the application be dismissed. Outside the court, Hela Governor Undialu was happy with the decision and invited Mr. Potape to work with him in serving the people of Hela.
Governor seat is one seat, and elections we have tried. Now that court has dismissed the petition, I invite him to come and let's work together, and let's be leaders of Hela, not just through elected members, but in our personal capacity, we can also provide leadership. So, governor seat is just one. We've got a lot of things and a lot of issues to address, and we need support from everyone back home. So.
Meanwhile, there is another election petition against Undialu by Dr. Amir Ewali, the third runner-up in the governor's seat. The decision on this petition will be delivered tomorrow.
And it's not easy to represent a province like Hela. And I thank Dr. Ewali and thank especially Francis Potape for controlling his supporters and respecting the rule of law.
Thekla Gunga, National EMTV News.